Hi guys. Long time no see. I know I have some explaining to do, but it's all in good it's all in good faith, it's all in good health. But yeah, so I'm about to log into my class, and then I have quite a bit to do today, but I wanted to get a workout in and get some yoga done and just breathe because this semester has been crazy. I know it's been a while since I've popped in on here, but it's just been a crazy semester and all that. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get this started. It's the next day. Yeah. Yeah. I took my exam last night and I passed that, and today I'm so sorry, I look a mess. I washed my hair this morning and I'm just letting it go crazy. But I figured I can do an unboxing because I got some Amazon goodies. So I'm just sitting on the floor and doing this because why not? So I figured we could do a quick unboxing. Let's go ahead and open these goodies. So the first thing that I got was this yoga blanket, and I really wanted one of these for whenever I'm on the floor, because I do have a yoga mat, but sometimes I need a little extra cushion for my knees and stuff. So I got one of these, and it's so cute. I'm so happy with it. It's so cute. Feels like a really good durable material, so this will be really good for my knees. That's what I got this for when I'm doing my yoga. I got that for my knees. And then I got my computer case. I got a new one. I just have a clear one on there, but I wanted to get a new one because I was just wanting a different vibe. But I got a different computer case, and I love it. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see it. The lighting may be off, but it's just so cute and quirky. There was something else that I wanted, but it was out of stock, so I may wait a while, and then if I still want it, I'll grab it. It's similar to this, but it's a little bit more geometric. I think it's my yeah, this one is my Nespresso pod thing. This is my Nespresso pod container storage, I think. No, oh no, this is my laptop stand. This thing is huge compared to what I thought. But I got a laptop stand, and so it can sit up higher, and it gives me a little bit of space under there. These are my yoga blocks that I got. And then here it is. It has glass. Oh, it's going to be so pretty under my Nespresso thing. But if you have an Nespresso, this is really good for the storage of them. Because like I said, I was just throwing my pods in a basket, and I was afraid that they would get punctured and stuff. So, and I've had it since like November. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and just get a thing since it's going to be put to good use anyway. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything I got. I mainly got yoga stuff because I've been getting into it a lot more here lately. And then, well, I've been into yoga for a while, but I've started doing it more, obviously, since we've been home. And then I got some laptop stuff and everything. So I'm super happy, especially about these yoga blocks. I'm so happy. I got my own little yoga studio now. I'm so excited. I'm going to put my computer in this, and then do my stuff. So let's get that. I figured that would be fun. Let's set this up. I'm so sorry. It is February 13th at this point, and I am trying to study. I think I'm breaking out because of the stress, but I am studying right now. I am making my Quizlet cards. This is how I pretty much study. I make my Quizlet cards. I follow my study guide, go over my slides, and I pretty much, this is how I study. It's just retain, retain, retain. That's pretty much how I study. I just try to retain the information as much as I can. Yeah, that's how pretty much I do things. But I'm now studying for my microbiology exam. I have that technically on Monday, but I may push it to Tuesday. I may not though, because Tuesday, I may push it to Tuesday only because it gives me an extra day to study on Monday, and plus I won't feel as rushed when I take it, because I need to take my time when I take it. So Tuesday's the last day to take it. I plan on taking it first thing in the morning on Tuesday. And then I get started on the next list of stuff. I start studying for my HESI. Pretty much, I need to start studying for that next weekend. From my plan is my plan, and plans go whatever way. My plan is to start studying for that. My hair is up in a bun. It's crazy. My plan is to start studying for that next weekend, and just devoting my weekends to studying for my HESI, because I already know I'm going to need to really focus on the math part, because I suck at fractions and converting fractions and stuff. So I'm definitely going to need to focus on the math part, and then also I need to review my anatomy and physiology part, the biology part, stuff like that, just to review and renew what I know already and what I learned from taking those classes. That's pretty much what's been going on. This is why I haven't really been recording as much as I used to and would like to, is because I have so much going on all the time. Main goal is to get my study cards, my Quizlet cards done, and I just look over those all weekend long and all Monday and ask myself questions and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything. This is pretty much, going back to school as a single parent. Going back to school in general as an adult is a lot different than just hopping straight into college when you're a teenager. It just, because you have responsibilities and you sometimes have to make sacrifices. But I didn't go to bed until 4 this morning, and I still didn't get done with all of my Quizlet cards. I am setting up now. It's 1:12 in the afternoon. I have showered. I have woken myself up. I've been up since, let's see, I went to bed at 4. I've been up since 10, so I got some good sleep. As good as a sleep as any child will let you get. So right now I'm just logging into everything, logging into my computer, getting everything set up. I got my green smoothie in hand and my coffee. Got my coffee ready to go as well, but I'm drinking my green smoothie first. What is this? Oh, there it is. But today is just all micro. Today is all micro. I gave you a little glimpse of what I was doing last night, which was just making my cards. I was just making my cards. So that's what I plan on doing today, is just finishing up my Quizlet cards, and then obviously studying those pretty much all weekend. I need to start studying for my HESI or the A2, whichever you call it. They're both the same. And I typically use Pocket Prep, but this morning I found a HESI study group Facebook or a HESI study group page on Facebook. And in that Facebook page, a lot of people were talking about Nurse Hub. I think it was what it was called. Can't even speak. I'm tired. And so I decided to log in for that, sign up for that. The practice test pack that I want is around $50. So I'm going to take my time this weekend to just study for my micro exam. And then after I take that next week, I will purchase that pack so that I can start studying for my HESI on the weekends, because I plan on starting next weekend. I just have to wait until after my surgery, just so I can just be fresh, you know. I don't want to be in the middle of studying for an entrance exam, have a surgery, get sedated, have to be on drugs for the next couple of weeks, and then, you know, lose sight of what I was. So I'm just waiting until after I'm done with my surgery. But right now, I don't know what that was. Right now I'm just opening up pretty much everything. Typically I let my computer sleep, but last night I decided to like shut it down and give it some time, like for the RAM to restart or something, because this is a new MacBook Pro. I should not be having issues out of this. So I was like, maybe it's because I keep it on all the time. So I am just literally getting that situated. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing today. It's just studying. I got all my kids situated. They're all in their room, chilling, relaxing, doing their thing. I have showered. I've done my skincare. I got my hair up. Got some comfy clothes on. Everything's good to go. And now I'm ready to get started studying. Since I gave y'all a glimpse of what I did last night, or early this morning, I should say, I'm not even going to put y'all through that again. I'm just going to finish my green smoothie. Situated. Typically, I sit down, and in order to get me going, I typically, like, watch a YouTube video. I typically watch, like, a Real Talk with Yanni video. I don't know if you guys know who that is. But I'm into a lot of commentary channels now. And I typically just listen to it like it's a podcast. And I listen to those in the background while I'm setting up everything. So that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing right now. I'm setting up my video so I can listen to that in the background. And then I'm going to start studying. So like I said, because I have already showed y'all a glimpse of that last night, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. I'm just going to be transferring everything onto my Quizlet cards today. And then studying that. So before I end it here, I want to say happy Valentine's Day to everybody. I hope everyone has an amazing Valentine's Day. And good luck on, if you're in school or whatever, good luck on your exams, midterms, whatnot. I know everybody's going to be starting to schedule their A2 exams, so good luck on those. And yeah, so I will see you all in my next video. Bye.